Introduce features interest for CherylonCar Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power 150 Watt/8000 PA. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose CherylonCar Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Vacuum for car that is compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Keep your car be kept clean at any time to save your time and money, and get professional cleaning results every time. The vacuum includes a stainless steel filter, equals to 20 normal HEPA filters, can be washed more than 500 times, a nylon wrap to avoid a loss of suction caused by dust accumulation. Practically ensuring the performance of the car cleaner. Car vacuums are equipped with high-performance copper motor and aluminum alloy fans, 150-watt powerful motor, which provides a powerful suction up to 8000 PA, easily clean dust, pet hair, sand, food residue, liquids, debris hidden in cushions or sofa. The handheld vacuum comes with a 16.4-foot power cord that connects to the car's 12-volt lighter port for maximum coverage to reach every spot of your car. The portable vacuum cleaner for cars is equipped with 3 nozzles, hoses, cracks, brushes, to meet various cleaning needs. It comes with a carry bag to conveniently store. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.